Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Mediterranean quinoa salad. First, let's prepare our quinoa. It's super simple. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa under cold water to remove any bitterness. Then, combine it with 2 cups of water or vegetable broth in a pot. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. Finally, let it rest for 5 minutes, then fluff it with a fork. Next, we'll prepare our fresh vegetables, which add so much color and crunch to our salad. You'll need 1 large cucumber and 2 ripe tomatoes, diced into small, bite-sized pieces. Also, finely chop about 1/2 of a red onion for that essential Mediterranean zing. Don't forget to slice 1 cup of Kalamata olives and roughly chop 1/4 cup of fresh parsley to brighten everything up. Now for the star of our salad, the zesty lemon dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Squeeze in the fresh juice from 1 whole lemon. This provides that wonderful tang. Then, add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it all thoroughly until well combined, creating a vibrant dressing that perfectly complements our fresh ingredients. Finally, it's time to bring everything together and assemble our delicious Mediterranean quinoa salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine your fluffy cooked quinoa, all the diced vegetables, and the Kalamata olives. Pour that amazing lemon dressing we just made right over everything. Gently toss the salad until all the ingredients are beautifully coated. For an extra touch, garnish with crumbled feta cheese and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.